Hey guys, welcome back. This time I want to show you how to use the sweet stamps. I will be using the stamps on my board, so the first thing to do is to cover your board with fondant. You roll it out about 1/8 of an inch, and with some Crisco you can glue the fondant. And then I cut the excess with a knife. I have found that this is the easiest way to cut the excess from a board. Just go around either with a knife or a blade. For now, don't worry about the sides of the board. You can cover it later with a ribbon. So now I'm gonna decide where I'm gonna use the stamps, and I'm using a cake pan just to see more or less where the cake is gonna end up. Now I'm gonna have to decide where I'm gonna place the letters. I'm not gonna press on them yet. I'm just putting them on top of the fondant and just see where they look the best. Don't forget to consider the space between letters. They need to be at the same distance so they look even and perfect. So I'm gonna use the M first one time, and then once I press on it, I'm gonna move it to the other side to complete the word mom. And you can use a cake smoother. In this case, I'm using this clear block. I'm gonna leave the description on the description box below. And the reason why I use this block is because it's clear, so I can see the letters, and it is big, so I can press on them and it works perfectly fine. And I just go back, and if one of the letters did not press correctly, I just put them back and press again a little bit harder. To add the color, I'm going to be using some powder color and alcohol. The alcohol is just because it evaporates really fast. You can also use gel color, just don't mix it with alcohol. You can mix it with some water, and that should work too. Or you can use it directly. The brush that I'm using is super thin because the indentations are small, and you have to be very careful and patient because you can make a mistake and color outside the indentations of the letters. If you do so, there's ways to clean it up. You can use some shortening and a Q-tip, or also they sell some wipes to remove the colorants. I'll put the description on the box below. Like I said, just be patient and retouch any areas that you think need a little bit more color. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna clean my area because I had some mistakes with the coloring. And I'm using a Q-tip and some shortening. Also, you can use some alcohol and just rub it with a Q-tip. I also used a pin to remove some of the color, and that worked perfectly fine. Next, I just place my cake on top of the board, cover the sides with a ribbon, and my cake is ready. You can find the products I use in the description box below. Check out the other tutorials and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye.